What are you doing, Daryl? Ooh. He's got wires out. That's the wrong tool. I ain't gonna show that. Look it. Things are going together. Did you get this nice and... Whoa, is that nice, Troy? You hear that? That's perfect. That lash is perfect. What are you... Hey, that's one of my... What are you doing to my tools, man?
I got to straighten it.
You're adjusting it?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Got to massage it a little bit.
You got to massage the iron to make it do what you want, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Where'd you learn that from?
Me.
Okay. All right. We're all right. You almost got that assembled, don't you? You'll be putting that together today yet. Brake halves, anyways. What do they call them? Axle supports? Housings?
Axle support housings.
This is the best tool ever made, according to Troy. Hey, Troy?
Sure.
He says that a lot. Sure. Surely. Okay. I'm going to spy on Troy. What are you doing, Troy?
Cleaning stuff.
Cleaning all the crud out of there? Crunchies? Oh, you got a couple seals to put in. Mm-hmm. Hell, look at that. They even got a breather down in there now. Mm-hmm. Cool. Have they? I've never seen one. I guess I was never in that one that far, cleaned it enough to do any of my jobs, like kind of thing. Mm-hmm. Hey, did that guy ever tell you what those pins are for that we weld? That I was just welding? You know what they were for? Military trailers. Yeah, military. Uncle Sam's boys and girls. You got this all set? Look at that. We got a complete rebuilt Diff. Troy, you the man. Who cut my table? You. Boy, you guys. Holy wow. I can't. Not with one hand. I'm too much of a puss.
Really?
Oh yeah, there it is. Ooh, is that tight?
Within spec.
Within specs? Mm-hmm. Within sex? Nice job, Troy. What is the spec? 20 Newton meters?
6 in the pinion plus 3.
6 plus 3 what? Newton meters? If we're wrong, somebody on the YouTube will tell me, I'm sure. Did you rebuild the diff lock? There's the diff lock if anybody wants to know. How do I want to explain that? I'll explain it because I'm just not... Oil goes into that thing there and it pushes this in. It sucks it in. And it locks both axles together, and then both axles go together like brothers. Carl, he's up in the wood. He's up in the cab, huh? I haven't called him Carl in a long time. I think I should start again, huh?
His name is Tyrese.
Tyrese? Tyrese, how you doing? Charisse? Oh. Burns. What's burning? Charisse, how you doing in there? I can't even see you in there. You're on camera. That's a bad place to be, ain't it? Yeah. Okay. I'll leave you alone then. Yeah, them pins are for... Oh, what the hell are they for? I don't know, some military trailer. Do that again. Oh, you're strong. Pretend that's like a 1/2-inch piece of iron.
It is.
There's metal in there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you're tough. You're tough as a wet noodle.
Something like that. I gotta try my 7-3.
7.3. It's like 44 degrees. What do you need to start your 7.3 for? Gotta get her warm, huh?
Start mine too.
Did I pussify you guys, making you start your vehicles ahead of time?
Mine's a 7.3 too.
No, it isn't. It's a Chevy Caprice. Or Impala?
It's got a 7.3 in it.
What?
A Malibu.
Your Malibu. There you go. Well, I think tomorrow he'll have that all put together, won't he? How you doing on that thing? Ready to fire it up? Did you get your stuff mounted the way you wanted?
Kinda. I was trying to get a picture up to see how that guard goes in there.
Guard for?
The wires.
Oh. I gotcha. Be on camera. Do you want me to hold something?
Back up a little. Good.
Turn it a little bit. There you go. Oh! You gotta... This way. There you go.
Back up a touch.
Just tilt your...
Oh, now down.
There she is.
Down. Okay.
Give her some love taps with the big green plastic. We're gonna give it some love taps with that fancy green hammer. That one. That's my friend. Not Kyle, the hammer. Not Kyle, the hammer. Over here, one, too.
That's never going to get.
That's perfect. She's tight, boys. Let me see that hammer.
No.
Yeah. Wait. No, it's down. See? I want to show everybody in the world that they should buy, every mechanic should have one of these in their truck, right?
That ain't that good.
A number 5. Why do you reach for it all the time then?
I don't.
I do. That's called Brutus. Logger Wade has a Brutus, we got a Brutus. Takes a man to swing that, so I can't handle it.
Better hand that over.
All right, I'll come back later. Good job, boys. That's how we do it. Is that OSHA approved? It's our kind of fun job. Keep going up. Go up till you poke a hole in the ceiling.
Never mind that field.
Nope. Down. You're all right. There you go. Troy, just a little bit. Keep doing that. Down. When it goes forward, there. Yep. Come ahead. There you go. Just keep it up against the forklift. You'll be golden. That's way too close. How did you guys gauge that? You were going to be within about 3 inches. Yeah, you're that good, I know. Hell, 2 inches. Side shifter. Now you can roll it. There you go. You're close enough, ain't you? Wow, yeah, you're right
Down.
You're too.
Oh, hold it.
I'd block it right there. You're gonna come along together anyways, right?
I gotta get down fast.
You gotta go up on this side. Your dowel pin is.
I know. I gotta get this dowel pin in. So
Whoops. Back.
that's okay.
Yes. There, we got her. I heard that. Now he can shut off right there.
Shut it off and we gotta come along and then.
Come along her together, and you guys are. You guys look like you done that once or twice, eh?
1.5 times.
1.5 times. That's pretty good for not having overhead. You're about 1.5 inches, 2 inches on this side, and you're in the dowel pin on that side. That'll go slicker than dynamite. You know, you guys only put that together like 5 minutes ago. How fast are you?
Pretty fast.
Hey, we got a West Junior here.
Both of them are on.
You're sweating. That because it's like 39 degrees outside? You can really tell.
That's too hot. I'll turn the AC on again.
Okay. We need an oil barrel. Was there any left in that other one? We can start filling today. We're gonna fill it out here, or you're gonna fill it underneath there?
Probably fill the Diff.
Okay, I just wanted to bring you in for a view. You got all the bolts torqued in too? No wonder you're sweating. You did all that in 5 minutes from when you set the forklift down to that. I can't even eat a cookie without dropping it on the floor. All right, I'm gonna shut this off now. How'd them go in? Like dynamite?
Decent.
You're sexy, Troy. Yeah, I don't know what all that craziness is, but I just got home. I was over at my folks. I may be 49 years old, but I can go over there and have supper once in a while. And my two boys were over there. It's nice to get together with your family once in a while, you know. Yeah, mom and dad had a nice supper. That's what we call it up here, supper. It's not dinner, it's supper. I'll argue all day long about that. Anyhow, I left early, but next time you see this, I'll be gone tomorrow, so this will be going in, so nobody will film unless the guys want to do it. And she'll be underneath there, and hopefully that machine is spun around, and we'll be pulling apart the other end, and parts are on the way. Everything is coming for that end too, so things are going really good this week. So thanks all you guys for watching, and subscribe, hit the thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Take care. See you, bye.